Oh boy, my first level 7 champion. I can't wait to take him into playing games. Yeah, Ivy.
Oh my god.
Sorry?
Did
Did not mean
all you, man.
Did not mean to KS.
My W, so strong. We do one more.
Okay.
Hard push this one. Oh, he's going okay. Oh my god. Wow, we have to do
I don't know how that just happened. Oh shit. I just die here.
No.
Because I know that oh shit, I come.
I don't have ult yet. Oh my god.
Insane, dude.
She's ignited. She's in alcove.
Oh.
Oh shit, my bad.
Nope. Oh, you're good. Oh, damn. I forgot about that ability. Oops.
Yeah. Oh well, we got both their ults.
Nope.
I'm Wing this way.
Oh, that was clean.
Good shit. Alright, I'm gonna back.
I will outplay.
Oh.
Oh, you tried, Lee Sin.
There's no tower,
Thread the needle. The front of the life.
I have
Front of
E8.
life. I have W in 3.
I need to get
2.
my red. No, I don't have red. What am I
1.
saying?
Boo!
Nice.
I don't chase.
Oh,
No!
8 HP. No. Oh my god.
I don't have ult, but we just W.
He's insane.
Oh my god.
And I'm out. And I live.
So, yeah. Oh,
No!
oh, that's fine.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
I can dive.
2, 1, I have ult.
Oh
Holy
my God,
shit!
Toss around like a tomato. Oh, it's.
Oh my.
I'm gonna zone them.
Holy cow. He tried so hard.
Yeah. He's ignited,
Oh my
he's
God, I
ignited.
can't get the balls out, dude.
So hard.
Oh, I just got knocked out by Cho.
Why would you fucking ult him? Oh my god. Alright, we got him still. Nice.
Alright, I think we just take Baron. Yeah, I W'd. Oh, this right here.
Oh, yeah, fuck.
Typical. Pre-made, unfortunate. Only 3 of us are pre-made.
Well, she meant her own too.
Oh. It's like, only 3 of us are pre-made here, so. We're just better, Smile.
True.
Where is he?
Right there.
Oh, no.
I'm just gonna take the execute. Oh no, I stepped on
He
this!
walked in his E.
I stepped on the E. Fuck. I'm trolling.
Say worth it.
Yeah.
Oh, his W's down.
Dude, what? I fucking god, dude. This kid's just running in my. Dude, this Mort is so fucking blind. What the fuck, dude?
I should have.
How you
I
dead?
ignited the wrong person.
Oh my god.
Need the cannon.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, I'm 3 levels
Oh.
down on this guy.
Oh shit, I'm trying to come.
So fast.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, I'm far. I'm by the river.
Ivy.
Oh shit, I
Wait.
got the wrong way.
Fuck, none of you were close enough, that's my fault. You guys
Oh
kill,
my
you guys
God.
kill. That does so much damage, holy
Nice.
shit.
Ooh.
Are you maxing me?
I'll take that.
No. Never mind, I'm just out playing.
I got the Guardian
Oh
proc
my
on
God.
you, so you actually took no
I
damage.
took no damage.
Oh shit, my E went away. I'm actually trolling, I'm sorry, David.
No, you're good. Oh.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my E went away. I thought I was gonna be able to W and use second stack of E.
Okay.
Oh, what the fuck?
I don't want to try this. Huh!
Oh wow, I was really close.
You were. Alright, I charm and run.
Oh, that's Nocturne. It's Nocturne.
I think he kills.
Oh lordy.
Come here, oh, fuck, god damn it.
I'm out.
Much random shit.
No,
going
the
on.
Volibear's too good.
Oh, I bet I can kill fucking Cho'Gath.
Brandon, can you come to us?
Yeah, they're choking. I can't really.
That was a good W though.
Come down here. Yeah, I'm coming to you.
I don't have W anymore. Oh, fuck.
I have E.
Yeah. Holy
my God.
shit.
I'm probably dead now.
Kill it with fire. He just pulled him out of my W and I'm sad. I'm actually so upset. I mean, we killed him.
Got her?
Oh, you killed. No, the
Oh, I got her.
burn gets her. Oh, Jackson's just kind of pushing bot.
Yeah, you guys deal with that shit.
Wait, David.
Oh, he's tilted. Oh,
Freelo.
I don't think I needed to heal there.
I don't need it either, but whatever. Safe than sorry.
Hey,
I just like burped and puked in my mouth a little bit. That's gross.
Fucking disgust. Oh, on me, on me.
Coming. Do you have ult?
No.
Oh my god, we just raped him.
Alright, he's charmed.
I will go the extra mile.
Whoops. Oh, Zig's got that. Ignited.
Here we go.
This kid has a fucking stack on his goddamn head. It is all you, man.
He almost actually just stayed
slugged?
in it. Oh no!
I just want him, dude.
Look at that! Look at the fucking damage! Holy shit!
3,000! Report this motherfucker!
Wait, I'm level 15. What the fuck?
Ah!
Oh my god, he does so.
Who
Dude,
does?
he does so.
Jack?
Holy healing, dude. Oh. Hey!
I was about to flash over.
Alright, David, David and Brandon should both get executioners.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, David, you wanna help me clear top?
Sure.
Oh shit!
I come.
Oh my god. All you, man.
Monk.
I got the stack too, I think. Fucking
Hit
well.
us.
Alright.
Ah, yes, thank you, Nocturne. I actually wasn't gonna go for this.
Hello. We actually might need to back after inhib.
Actually, did you know that if somebody pings it, you attack it faster?
Holy shit, no
Oh
way.
no.
Nobody says anything. Oh my god, dude.
You just
I have a.
Lost. Oh wait, what? This works like this?
Yeah, holy shit.
What?
They're
Why?
actually through.
Oh, he's a Chinese. Expensive.
That sucks, dude. I feel like we played that so well. Our Nocturne and Mord were never with us. It is now time for the Recon play of the day. Hey guys, Skinny Bones is here, and I want to thank you for watching this video. It is currently 2 a.m. I am just finishing up editing it, recording this, throwing this in at the end, and then I'm going to render and upload it, but it is 2 a.m. I have been working at this video for multiple hours now, after some hiccups with the first one that I was originally going to do, and we are finally getting it done. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. This is one of the first support highlight videos that I plan on making, and I do hope that I can keep making them like this because they are a lot of fun to do. I love playing, or I love making them, and I love actually playing the champions to be able to make these. So this video is obviously Recon. But yeah, if you do want to see me play a champion or make a highlight video in the future, please do leave a comment down below. That would be very much appreciated, and just leave a like. I mean, this is a lot of hard work to do this. It takes time, time that I necessarily do not exactly have all of, which is why I had to do it I started this at like 10:30, so just working hard at this and getting it done is my top priority, but I can't always be doing it, if that makes any sense. But once again, if you did enjoy, please leave a like, and subscribe. And yeah, let me know if there's any champions you want to see in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.